Accessible Web, WCAG Manual Auditing. Success Criterion 2.5.3 Label and Name. Let's jump in. Success Criterion 2.5.3 ensures that when UI components have visible labels, the text of those labels is included in the component's accessible name. This is crucial for users of voice control technologies as they rely on visible labels to activate controls accurately. RAMP automatically scans for issues where accessible names do not include the visible label text. Review any issues flagged in the extension and add remediation tasks if needed. To manually test for this, activate the element highlighter in RAMP to highlight all UI components and display their accessible names. For each UI component with a visible label, ensure that the accessible name contains the visible label text. Best practice is to have the visible label text at the start of the accessible name for clarity. For example, if a button visually says Search, its accessible name should include Search rather than only an icon, description, or unrelated ARIA label. If any UI component's accessible name does not include the visible label text, add a failure in RAMP. And that wraps up testing for Success Criterion 2.5.3 using RAMP's Audit Grid and Chrome extension. Including visible labels in accessible names ensures compatibility with voice input and improves clarity for all users. Now it's your turn. Test your site with RAMP's Audit Grid. Try it free for 14 days using the link in the description.